In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place different types of stock and ETF orders on Robinhood. Whether you're just getting started or looking to better understand your trading options, this step-by-step walkthrough will show you exactly how to place market, limit, stop, and stop limit orders using the Robinhood platform. Let's start by opening the Robinhood app or website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the stock or ETF you're interested in trading. You can find it by searching the name or ticker symbol at the top of the screen. Once you're on the specific stock or ETFs page, look for the button labeled Trade. Clicking on this gives you the options to either buy or sell, depending on your trading goal. Now, let's talk about a market order. Under the order type menu, choose Market. With a market order, you're telling Robinhood to buy or sell your shares right away at the best currently available price. It's the simplest and fastest order type, ideal if getting in or out of your position quickly is your priority. After selecting market, just enter the number of shares you want to trade. Review your order to double check the details and then click Submit. Market orders are executed almost instantly at whatever the prevailing market price is at that moment. When you want a bit more control over the price you get, a limit order can come in handy. To place a limit order, select Limit under Order Type. Now, instead of rushing to fill your order at the current price, you'll enter a limit price. This is the highest price you're willing to pay when buying, or the lowest you'll accept when selling. Type in the number of shares for the trade. Next, you'll choose how long your order should stay open. Either Good for Day, which cancels your order at the end of the trading session if it hasn't been executed, or Good Till Cancelled, which will keep your order active until it's filled or you cancel it. Review everything carefully, then click Submit. Remember, a limit order will only execute at your specified price or better, so there's no surprise regarding the price you pay or receive. Moving on to stop orders and stop limit orders, which are especially useful for risk management. In the order type menu, you can select either stop or stop limit. A stop order is triggered once the stock hits a certain stop price that you set. It converts to a market order at that point and executes at the next available price. For added precision, a stop limit order lets you set both a stop price to trigger the order and a limit price for the maximum you're willing to pay or minimum you'll accept. After choosing your order type, enter the appropriate stop price. And if you're doing a stop limit, also fill in your limit price. Input the number of shares, review the summary for accuracy, and finally hit Submit. Stop orders execute once the stop price is reached, while stop limit orders will only execute at your chosen limit price or better. That's all there is to placing different types of orders on Robinhood. Each offers its own advantages depending on your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Always double check your details before submitting, and happy trading.